what's up? It's me Shivangi Singh and welcome back to my YouTube channel and very happy New Year's to all of you. नव वर्ष की बहुत हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं आपको, आपके बच्चों को, आपके परिवार वालों को, माता पिता, नाती पोता सभी को नव वर्ष की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. और आई विश आपका ईयर बहुत अच्छा जाए, बहुत पॉजिटिविटी के साथ जाए. एंड एज द न्यू ईयर स्टार्टेड यू शुड बी एनर्जेटिक एंड लुक फॉरवर्ड ऑफ डूइंग व्हाट द बेस्ट थिंग्स यू आर विशिंग टू डू इन योर लाइफ. As you know, I am in Hyderabad in a hostel. मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा अकेला फील कर रही थी because every year I'm at my home and celebrating with my family and we do parties and stuff because I live in joint family. तो मेरे भतीजे से हम लोग मिलकर पार्टी करते हैं न्यू ईयर ईव में. बट दिस टाइम आई वाज फीलिंग अलोन. तो मेरे लगा यार रेगुलर डे है, जैसे आज उठी, दूसरे दिन एग्ज़ाम था, देने गई, फिर जब फर्स्ट बीत गया ना तो मैंने कहा नहीं, दिस इज़ नॉट हाउ वन शुड सेलिब्रेट द न्यू ईयर और एंटर इनटू न्यू ईयर. सो आई प्लान टू मेक अ विजन बोर्ड फॉर माई सेल्फ. I'm doing this for the first time and I found it necessary for me because, and for you also, you can just plan a vision board for the rest of your life or manifest beautiful things because life is all about manifestation. As much as good things you can manifest, it is going to come true in your life. सबसे पहले I'll tell you what is a vision board. Vision board is something कि आपके घर में अगर सॉफ्ट बोर्ड हो, आप सॉफ्ट बोर्ड पे बना सकते हो. एक कोई वाइट बोर्ड होता है, उस पर पिक्चर स्टिक कर सकते हो और अपना कोई कोलाज बना के अपने मोबाइल का वॉलपेपर भी लगा सकते हो. इट्स नॉट समथिंग आपको क्राफ्ट एंड आर्ट करना पड़ेगा बहुत ज़्यादा. एंड एनी एज ग्रुप कैन मेक इट. इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर विशेज एंड थिंग एंड हाउ यू रिप्रेजेंट योर थॉट्स into pictures or words. So I'm making it on a cardboard paper and stick it on the wall so every day I can look at it and get motivated like what I have planned to do in my life because every day cannot be very happy and joyful and cheerful. Life is all about ups and downs and college life में तो होता ही रहता है and regular life में भी होता ही रहता है. So that's why I'm planning to make a vision board for myself and stick it on the wall. So these are the few things that I have manifested for myself and I found it from Google, Pinterest and from Collage Maker and I have some things I have drawn and created from my own idea. So these are the things and one by one I'll tell you what is my vision board and how I'm going to make it. The first thing I'm starting with is manifesting. That is 2025 will be full of wins. I'm manifesting this year to be full of wins, victories and happiness because that's all I want and I'm in a very peak age of my life and very peak time of my life, so I want it to be full of wins. And this is one more thing, you can also add thoughts and stuff, whatever motivates you. The next thing is no matter how unrealistic it seems, it is going to happen. I dream of a lot of unrealistic stuff and a lot of big stuff which people find it funny, but for me I think I will achieve it some day or the other because previously also my video was concerned about environment and my friends were making fun of me because they were like हाँ ये सब कौन करता है बच्चों वाले. But no, sometimes it's what you think, it's personal opinion. So no matter how unrealistic it seems, it is going to happen and it will happen. So the next one I've decided is to focus on my health and my figure and my body and my fat. What I'm getting fat day by day because I'm eating a lot of fat food, junk food, or you can say because my college schedule is very hectic and कभी-कभी मेरे खाना नहीं अच्छा लगता तो mostly we order outside food and you know how privileged we are. So I'm trying to focus on my health this year because although I'm getting breakdown also and I'm getting hormonal imbalance also and it is not good for you also people, so you should also focus on health. It's not like January 1st हुआ gym का subscription लिया and get back to gym and gym फिर 9 महीने में पैसे बर्बाद. No, not like that. Start eating healthy, stop avoiding junk. So I have taken these two pictures. I love McDonald's. ठीक है, burger and fries and nuggets are my favorite, my go-to and I eat them like at least 7 to 8 times a month now. So I've stopped eating that. I'll stop eating McDonald's. I'm giving up on my McDonald's. If you ever see me eating McDonald's, you are ready to snap at me. You're ready to steal it from me and just throw it away. Or you can just eat it. Please don't throw it away. It is very expensive. Plus eat it. So you are what you eat. If that's true, you always represent yourself. Your mental health is also like when you start eating a lot of junk ना आपका mind बहुत slow हो जाता है. तो आप जो खाते हो आप वो होते हो. So this is what I have taken out to motivate myself. That is, you are what you eat. So I'll try to eat healthy to be smart. Obviously, like dates, almond raisins, cashews. These are all very good sources of protein and fiber. You can eat it rather than eating a lollipop or candy. The next one I'm focusing is I have to focus on my college. I want to achieve good grades in college for good placements. I want to go out of this college with bright colors and big wings. Like, I will succeed in college. This is my slogan. This is something that I'll keep inside my mind no matter what. It's not about what type of institution you are in, how good or how bad it is. It's how you come out. एक मछली तालाब को गंदा भी कर सकती है, वही मछली तालाब से बाहर कूद के अच्छा एक एक्सप्लोर भी कर सकती है. कभी कभी यू नेवर नो व्हाट इज आउटसाइड द बाउंड्री यू आर लुकिंग एट. यू आर लुकिंग ओ कितनी बड़ी बाउंड्री है, आई कैन नॉट जंप इट ऑफ, बट यू नेवर नो, क्या पता आप उससे बाहर निकल के बहुत बेटर चीज़ एक्सप्लोर कर सको. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम विलिंग टू डू. आई विल फोकस on myself and I'll succeed in my college life. I am working on me for me. I'll work on myself for myself only, because if I'll succeed, nobody's going to get anything and nobody's going to get happy except for my parents and my partner or my brother and sister. So I'm working on me for myself. So that's what is the slogan of this vision board. One more, and these are some pictures I've inspired from Pinterest. Like, this is me getting good college degree and just flying my hat in the air. ये मैं करूँगी, ठीक है. And I wish हमारे ऐसा कुछ होता हो कि फ्रेशर्स तो दी नहीं हमने. The next thing that my parents used to taunt me for the rest of my life, मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे ज़िंदगी भर सताने देते रहते तो मैं नहीं सुनती थी. That is, quantity हटाओ, quality बढ़ाओ. Quality over quantity. I used to have a lot of friends. Like, I used to be a type of person जिसका बहुत बड़ा सोशल सर्कल होता था, सोशल गैदरिंग्स होती थी. मुझे हर महीने 10-15 पार्टीज में जाना होता था, सबकी बर्थडेज में जाना है, नो मैटर कोई क्लोज है कि नहीं. अभी भी ऐसा है. इन माई दिस कॉलेज आई एंटर्ड on my birthday celebration there were 6-7 people. Now I'm left with only 5 people because 2 लोगों से एकदम कट ऑफ हो गए, because माइंड नहीं मैच करता है, आइडियाज़ नहीं मैच करते हैं. सो आई एम फोकसिंग quality over quantity because that is what we all are looking for. Next, a very important thing for me and for everyone is to stay happy. Happiness comes within. आप खुद ही से को खुश कर सकते हो, आपके थॉट्स ही आपको हैप्पी कर सकते हैं. ये मुझे बहुत ही देर हो गई रियलाइज़ करने में. लिटरली आई यूज़ टू फोकस सो मच ऑन नेगेटिविटी एंड आई यूज़ टू लेट अदर थिंग्स इम्पैक्ट मी सो मच, अदर पीपल इम्पैक्ट मी सो मच. नॉट इन दिस उस वाले सेंस में कोई भी आके आपको इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है, लाइक फैमिली, like extended family and stuff, and some cousins and blah blah blah. They used to impact me so much. Like, I used to curse myself, like how I used to think like how people can become so rude and stuff, and it was so hard. It used to become so hard for me to forgive people. Now this year is all about forgiveness. Not as like you'll stab me in my chest and I'm going to forgive you. No, I'm sorry. But it's just I'm going to work on myself and my mental health, because that is something is lagging in my life from past 2 years, and I want to work on my mental health. So that is what I am manifesting for. Positive energy. I want positive energy around myself. I have cut down to people who were negative to me, क्योंकि कभी कभी आप होल्ड ऑन करते हो ना कुछ लोगों को लेके. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट माई पार्टनर, बॉयफ्रेंड स्टफ, ठीक है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉर्मल फैमिली स्टफ राइट नाउ. तो आप कुछ लोग होल्ड ऑन नहीं करते, तो आप सोचते हो कि नहीं ठीक, कोई बात नहीं है, दिल बिकम बेटर. बट समटाइम्स ह्यूमन नेचर इज द सेम एंड दिल रिमेन्स ए. कोर नहीं चेंज होता है ब्रो, ये तो मैंने सीख लिया. कोर नहीं चेंज होता है. तो I'll forgive them, but I'll not just let them ruin my aura. अपने आसपास के ऑरा को रुइन करने ही नहीं देना है. भाड़ में जाए भाई सब लोग, लिटरली किसी से फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ना है, अपने आप पे फोकस करना है. So I'll shred down all my negative thoughts, intrusive thoughts or whatever you can say. मेरे intrusive thoughts बहुत ही ख़राब होते हैं, और सबसे ख़राब बात है मेरे और मेरे पापा की, नहीं अच्छी बात है फिलहाल ये, कि हम लोग मुंह पे बोल देते हैं भाई तुम ख़राब हो तो हो, मेरे को नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता. मैं से बात करनी होगी, आओगे तुम्हें मुझसे काम होगा, तुम मुझसे बात कर दोगे, तुम मुझसे प्यार करते हो एज अ फैमिली, एज अ फ्रेंड, तो मेरे पास आओगे मुझे मनाने. जो नहीं आ रहा है, जो नहीं मना रहा है, वो आपसे प्यार ही नहीं करता, आपकी कदर नहीं करता, वो बस आपको यूज़ कर रहा होता है. सो वील शट डाउन आवर नेगेटिव थॉट्स and we'll not our intrusive thoughts come out like it used to come out. And I'll not let my negative thoughts always ruin me and tangle me around myself. I'll just work on it. I want positivity and I want to avoid all the negative thoughts. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. That's true. And मेरे को बहुत टाइम लग गया सब समझने में. Now that I've understood and I'm working on it in every better way possible. There are many ways, like meditate, do yoga, walk, read good books, watch good documentaries, listen to good podcasts. There are many things that can motivate yourself. बहुत हो गई motivation and all की बात. Now coming back to the adventure part that I want to do. I want to travel this year a lot because I used to travel a lot and मैं बहुत travel करती हूँ because ये आदत मुझे मेरे पापा से लगी हुई है, because वो घर पे नहीं बैठ सकते हैं बिल्कुल भी. तो I love traveling and I miss traveling with him because for 30 days and 15 days we used to go out only, and we used to have fun. We used to get every possible temples in UP, explore good places, explore good food. And my father loves to eat junk, I love to eat junk, and we were the best traveling partners ever. So I'm manifesting and looking forward to travel more with my family, with solo traveling, exploring the places, vlogging more, exploring myself more. So that's what I want to do. These are the two inspo pictures for me. Like obviously I want to travel by flights because my papa ने मुझे बिगाड़ दिया है. I travel a lot by flight now. I don't even like traveling by train. Spoiled kids. So this is what I'm looking forward to. Traveling with a good cup of coffee, and obviously window seats are mandatory. Stuff that is very important for me that I want to do and I'm never able to do it, do savings. Because savings are a very essential part of life that I've realized now as I am studying MBA and I'm studying finance also. Investment is very important thing. Investment is very important thing for a person because investment can change your life. And that I have seen in a lot of podcasts, I've heard in a lot of podcasts, I've seen a lot of people investing good money so that they don't have to work after 45 years. That is what you do. So I'm focusing on saving and investment more because that what will help me in future and my kids and my family, and it will give me a luxurious life that I always manifest for and always dream of. And you know what? I forgot to mention a very, very, very important thing, that I just completed the score of 1000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Wow. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for supporting me and loving me and watching my videos, and I hope to achieve more goals like this. So one of my goals of 2025 is silver play button. Always think big, that what I have learned. So I'm manifesting silver play button this year. I hope I complete my goal of followers and whatever the goals are to be fulfilled to achieve this dream of mine. And I want to take a picture, same picture like this, of me holding the silver play button, and I'll just paste it beside and just recreate the memory. So this is one of the important goals of my life. And I want to make a balanced life, like focusing on my studies and on my YouTube, both alongside. So that's what I do. I just came back from my college and I'm doing this video for you people because that's what I love doing. I love talking with you people. I love you so much. So without wasting time, let's get further. That is, Nazar is real, guys. I have faced it. I've seen people getting a lot of trouble because of it. So always secure yourself in your dreams. Do not always bomb blast or broadcast your plans, whatever you're going to do. My father has suffered for the rest of his life and backstabbed by his close friends also and close family also because of this only, broadcasting things. अपनी हर चीज़ चिल्ला के नहीं बतानी है सबको. जो भी आप करने का सोच रहे हो या जो भी आपका plans है, तो never broadcast your things, and always be secured to whom you're talking and what are you sharing, because a good listener, sometimes a good silent listener, is planning a pit hole for you or digging a hole for you. Should always not blabber around like me. I always blabber around a lot. So this is what you have to take care of yourself. And you know what is my spirit animal or spirit person for the rest of my year? This is going to be my attitude. Okay? Because this is what I'm going to give to my haters and telling me stupid things that I'm not worthy enough, or telling me that I'm not good enough to do something. I'm burdened on my family. I spend a lot of money. I eat a lot. I'm getting flat. Blah 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 blah. Those toxic relatives. Please keep your opinion within yourself. I don't need your opinion. Honestly speaking, give me positive opinion. Tell me there's a way of convincing thing. अब तमीज़ से बोलो ना बेटा ये चीज़ होगी. एक होती ताने मारना. You know what? आपकी बेटी ऐसी हो गई है. Please. अपने तक रखो. अपनी बेटी अपने बेटों को देखो कहाँ मुँह मार रहे हैं. मेरे पर मत ध्यान दो, ठीक है? ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, तो अपने काम से काम रखो. स्टॉप हैरेसिंग माई पेरेंट्स, स्टॉप हैरेसिंग मी, एंड स्टॉप प्लेइंग विद माई मेंटल हेल्थ, ठीक है? So this is my spirit thing. Anybody is going to do anything or give faltu suggestion, I'll be like, this is going to happen. And last and the most important thing, that is, a negative mind will never give you a positive life. So negativity को भगाओ और positivity को अंदर लाओ. This is what all my things are. This is all good things I'm manifesting for, and I'll just make my vision calendar and show it all to you people, that how you can make it and how you can just put it on wall and how you can just get motivated through a vision board. Once again, And thank you so much guys for helping me to achieve one of my goals of 1000 subscribers. I love you all, each and every subscriber and person watching me means a lot for me. I am looking forward to achieve more of my dreams, and also I'll attach this at last. Please, नजर नहीं लगनी चाहिए. Thu. And I wish good for you people. Stay healthy, stay calm, stay positive, and keep on growing in your life and achieve all the milestones you have ever planned for. And thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, do like, subscribe and share. Bye.